We had been experiencing an increase in incidents in our libraries, and we were looking for creative and innovative solutions for how we could improve things for our patrons and our staff.
I remember, bits before we had the CSOs in our branch, and it was just an everyday, all-day thing. You never knew what was going to happen. I've worked for the system for almost 20 years. And I do really remember a few years where, patrons kind of were stopping to come in. I would do children's programming, and I'd hear it from the moms where they, weren't feeling comfortable bringing their children in and such, and that's all gone. That whole feeling is gone.
A community service officer is not just a historical bylaw enforcement officer. Our officers receive a lot of training when it comes to many of those processes, have a great understanding of how to get people to the next level of care.
All different walks of life come to the library, so sometimes we've interacted with those individuals out in community.
If we run into a situation where somebody is here in the library or at the civic building or even around the area, we can then get those folks to the services that they need, and we know exactly how to do that.
I think it's a great partnership because it's something that a bylaw officer doesn't do in other municipalities. And then I think it's a safety factor for the patrons of the library and the staff. I think it helps them out, and there's a good working relationship there, and it's kind of like a family almost.
I'm so much more relaxed, and I can lean on them for everything, and they're just, so I really love my job again.
I'm just very thankful for both the city and the TNRD for this partnership and for coming together. It has just made such a huge positive difference in our libraries, and I think for our residents and our community, and the areas around the libraries as well, I think really benefit from that.